Oke, selamat siang teman-teman semua. Ini saya sedang mencoba screencast pakai Ometic dari hasil pembuatan PowerPoint yang tugaskan kemarin. Ini saya coba. Sini tentang sistem koordinat materinya. Saya ambilkan dari link yang ada di YouTube. Ini saya coba hasilnya. Sudah mulai terlihat, link YouTube-nya sudah muncul. Di sini ada iklan dari YouTube. Oke, kita skip iklannya. Ini materinya.
Three-dimensional coordinate systems. Level 1. Calculus 3 is a course that uses all the concepts learned from Calculus 1 and extends it to the study of functions with 2 or more variables. In a nutshell, Calculus 3 is Calculus 1 in 3 dimensions. Nothing more, nothing less. With that said, this class will challenge your spatial visualization skills and push them to the limit. Before we dive in, we need to start thinking three-dimensionally and be familiar with a three-dimensional coordinate system. We first need to remember the basics of number lines. Back in Algebra 1, and perhaps even before that, you learned that a number line is formed when a numerical value is assigned to each point on a line. For example, the following line represents a number line, and point A is located at -1. Likewise, point B is located at 1.5, or written another way as 1.5. Notice that number lines are useful to describe the location of a point relative to the origin, which is usually assigned a value of 0. In other words, a number line can be viewed as a coordinate system, specifically a one-dimensional coordinate system, consisting of all the points on a straight line. Notice that this line is broken into 2 regions, or halves. The first half contains positive numbers, and the second half contains negative numbers. And for the most part, you can only move along the line, either infinitely to the left or infinitely to the right. In this sense, a one-dimensional coordinate system is equivalent to a number line, where every real number, whether rational or irrational, has a unique location or position on the line. Conversely, every point on the line can be interpreted as a number in an ordered continuum that includes the real numbers. We can mathematically denote this one-dimensional space that includes the set of all real numbers as quadrant 1, while the x and y coordinate will be positive. In quadrant 2, the x coordinate will be negative,
Saya
and the
percepat
y
lagi
coordinate will be
karena
positive.
tujuannya hanya
In
untuk
quadrant
tes
3,
hasil
both the x
screencast.
and the y coordinate. Then your thumb points towards the positive direction of the z-axis. In addition, the 3-coordinate axis also determines 3 coordinate planes. The xy plane is a plane that contains the x and y axis. The yz plane contains the y and z axis. And the xz
Bapak Ibu bisa
plane
menambahkan materi
contains
yang
the
lain,
x
bisa
and
diambil
z
dari
axis.
GeoGebra
Together,
ataupun
the 3-coordinate planes
dari
divide
video
space into
YouTube yang
8
lainnya,
regions
atau
called
mungkin dari
octants. This is
video kita
analogous to the
masing-masing
quadrants of a
yang sudah
two-dimensional
dilengkapi ke
coordinate
PowerPoint.
system. In this case, a three-dimensional coordinate system divides space into octants.
Ini hanya
The
sebagai
first
contoh,
octant
materinya
is
saya
determined by
hentikan.
the positive axis. If you're having a hard time visualizing this,
Oke. Nah. Oke, demikian hasil dari percobaan kami untuk screen cast di. Kita lihat hasil rekamannya bersama-sama.